We got a question from Frederick in Munich, Germany. Frederick wants to know, what does Google think of single-page websites? They're becoming more complex, and there are some great websites using only a single page, plus lots of CSS and JavaScript, bringing the same user experience as a regular website with many subpages. That's a really good question, because there is a trend. You know, you'll see the conference page or the hot startup where you just keep on scrolling forever, and they have a whole lot of content, and sometimes they do cool dynamic stuff. So Google has gotten better at handling JavaScript, and a lot of the times if you're doing some strange or unusual JavaScript interaction or pinning some part of the page or something like that, or having things fold in or fold out, we're pretty good at being able to process that. In general, I would run a test first. Like, I wouldn't bet your SEO legacy on this one single page working well if the JavaScript or the CSS is really obscure, or maybe you've forgotten and blocked that out in robots.txt. But if you run the test and you're pretty happy with it, I don't necessarily see a problem with that. It's a different convention. You know, sometimes it works. Maybe you get better conversions. Maybe you don't. It's going to depend on what your particular area is, what the topic is, what kind of layout you come out with. But if it works for you and for users to have that all on one page, for the most part, it should work for Google as well.